going to be an eyebrow tutorial. I'm going to show you how I do my eyebrows with an eyebrow pencil as well as an eyebrow pomade. So stay tuned. For this video, I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows two different ways to show y'all the different ways. So for the right eyebrow, I started by accident. But for the right eyebrow, I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild eyeliner in Pretty in Mink, and Crayon Case sent me all their products. So I'm gonna be using the Crayon Case eyebrow pomade in Ebony. I'm gonna start off the right eyebrow with the Wet n Wild pencil. I'll be looking in my mirror, so. When I start off my eyebrow, I just start at the bottom and create the arch that I want. Just create the shape. It helps if you follow your natural eyebrow, and then when you use the concealer, you can always clean it up and create the shape that you want. If you want your eyebrows thicker, just make them thicker. And if you want them thinner, you can use the concealer to make them thinner. But just outline your natural eyebrow and create the shape that you want. So this is basically the shape that I do my eyebrows. So I'm gonna start by filling in the tail. And this is the darkest, besides black, this is the darkest eyeliner that they have. So if you don't want your eyebrows this dark, they do have another shade called Simmer Brown, but I like my eyebrows dark for the most part. And I'm gonna be using this mascara wand and just brushing the product through my eyebrows. And this helps fade it in the front as well. It helps it look more natural. This eyebrow, I'm going to be using the Crayon Case pomade and just a random eyeliner brush. It doesn't really matter what brush. If you want your eyebrows to be thinner, then use a thinner brush. But the brush really doesn't matter. I'm going to brush out my eyebrow before I start filling it in. And you just do the same thing. No matter what you're doing, always start at the bottom. I got too much product. Always start at the bottom so that I can create the arch that I want. And for some reason, the right eyebrow is always easier than the left one. I don't know if that's just me. Tell me if one eyebrow is easier for you than the other in the comments. But I'm just filling the eyebrow, filling the top, do the same thing that you do on the other side. I make faces when I do eyebrows. But this one is way higher than that one. But I'm going to show you how to fix it with the concealer. Yeah, that eyebrow is way higher. What? And I'll just fill it in. With the pomade, I like to use the brush and just brush it lightly in the inner corner. Not the inner corner, but like the inner brow. And then I use the brush. With the pencil, I don't bring it all the way to the front. And just brush the product through your eyebrow to make sure that's evenly pigmented throughout, because you only want the front to be kind of faded. You want to make sure you have the product through the rest of the eyebrow. As you can see, my eyebrows looking pretty crazy, but we're about to clean it up with the concealer. I'm gonna be using LA Pro Girl in the color medium beige. And as always, start at the bottom and just outline the eyebrow that you drew. This is where you really can create the shape of the eyebrow that you want. So if you want more of an arch, just use more concealer and create your arch. And do the same thing for the top. Just create the shape of the brow that you want. Everybody has a different shape that they go for, so this is really just your preference. If you want to make your eyebrow thinner, you just use the concealer and make it thinner. But just conceal in steps, because if you use too much concealer and go over a part of the eyebrow that you need, it's just easier if you just take more time with the concealer, because then you're gonna have to go back and fill it in and then conceal again to make sure the shape is perfect. So this is basically the shape that I go for my eyebrows, and I'm gonna do the same on the other side, and I'll be back. So I just finished concealing both eyebrows. They're the shape that I want. And I just finished putting the rest of the concealer I had on the back of my hand onto my lid so I can start my eyeshadow. However, if you're not gonna plan on wearing eyeshadow, then I recommend using a concealer that matches your skin color better. But I'm gonna be wearing eyeshadow, so I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and I'll be back. So I finished my full face. I just wanted to do a natural look. But I'm going to be putting on my Milan Minks, my Jador Milan Minks in the style Mistress. These are 25 millimeters. I'll put the link to purchase down below in the description bar. And I'm just going to be using my duo glue. This one is double-sided, so one side has the clear and the other side has the black. I use the black for my eyelashes. And you just put a thin line of glue on the eyelashes. Just wait 15 to 30 seconds after you put the glue so it could get a little bit tacky. And this is my Milan Mink lash applicator. The link to this will also be in the description bar. You just slide the minks inside the applicator and place it onto your eye. And this is how they look. They're really wispy and long. These are my favorite 25 millimeter lash style that I sell. So I'm gonna put the other one off camera, and so this is the final look. This is just like my everyday look. On my lips, I have Glammed Out by London, her gloss in 07. And it's just like a really pretty shimmer color. My new favorite, her website is launching soon, but I'm gonna put the link to it, her Instagram in the description bar, and then when her website launches, I'll put put that in the description bar below. But thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video, and I'm gonna start to try to make more videos. Not really so many makeup tutorial videos, because I do teach makeup lessons. So if you do want a one-on-one lesson, I'll put the link to my booking site in the description so you can book a one-on-one lesson. I do virtual lessons as well as hands-on lessons. So if you want to learn how to do your makeup, just book a makeup lesson. But I'm going to start trying to do more vlogs and stuff like that. But this eyebrow tutorial was requested a lot, so I made it for you guys, and I hope you guys love it. But I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.